Alright, people, so we have reached untouched beauty. The name goes by Kotagiri, and unlike Ooty, this place is also a hill station. And the best part is it's not much touristy kind of place. It's an offbeat place where people don't generally come often here. So this makes it a very good place to visit, and it's also beautiful. The road that leads to this place is also beautiful. So from Kotagiri, we are going for another 15 kilometers further to a viewpoint, which I'll be telling you soon. But I would say that this place is also as good as Ooty. Just that it is a different place. It's not that famous place. It's an off place. So now we have crossed Kotagiri. We are almost in the outskirts of Kotagiri, and this place is exactly 13 kilometers from Kotagiri. The name of this place will be visible on a lot of signboards while you are going towards it, of course. So I will be showing you the place in around 30 minutes from now. Wow, man, that is cool. So we are here at Koda Nadu viewpoint, and for this viewpoint 30 rupees per person and 10 rupees for your vehicle. So we vehicles right about here. Ride was amazing to this place. The curves, the ghat section, the views, all above par. I mean, there's no scale where I can rate these roads. Right. So if you are planning to a journey to Ooty, make sure you do visit this place. That's the viewpoint, and let me show you the view in a bit. So we are headed towards the view. Got some. Yep. The place is pretty good. There are a lot of monkeys, so be aware. Guys, so we are at the viewpoint. मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको यहाँ से व्यू. Alright people, so we have completed our another viewpoint. So now we are heading to the next destination. It's around 30 kilometers. I'll update you once I reach there. Meanwhile, enjoy this scene. Okay guys, so it has just now started raining and it's gonna be a crazy ride right now. So rain plus ghat section plus these beautiful sceneries. Hoping for a safe ride. Bro has put on his raincoat and so has the other bro. So nothing to worry much. Guys, it is raining and we are riding in the rain. No stopping us. Woohoo! Let's go. लंच कर लेते ना अभी अर्ली है ना आगे चल मैं बोलता लंच कर लेते ना फिर वैसी बारिश हो रही है वीडियो So since it's raining, we are taking an early lunch at this cafe, Mithara Cafe. Let's go. So this is the place that we are taking our break. Let's take a break here. So we have taken an early lunch since it was raining outside. We have chili potato, paratha, tomato, and mushroom biryani with paneer 65 for Parimal, Bundu. And people, so our lunch is over, and just a review place. Honestly, this place is a little bit show-wise, ambience-wise, people-wise, it's good, but the food was average. We didn't like much, but since we just ate whatever we could, and now we are heading to our next journey, next destination. And so Bundela and Parimal are getting ready inside so that they can come out and ride. So guys, we were going to our destination and we came back to the place where we had stopped earlier. So just to see how the view changes after rain. So let me show you. Point is same actually, but this is the view. So the rain is coming towards us, so we are hurrying right now. Holy crazy. Guys, the time is literally 3 o'clock and this is the view. Not view, but the weather you can say. Oh my god. भाई तूफान का आना है ये। गाइस मौसम खराब हो रहा है, लेकिन ये खराब मौसम इतना मजेदार होगा पता नहीं था। ठंड लग गई है, बादल हमारे पे बरसने आ रहे हैं, बट जो मजा आ रहा है, आई कैन नॉट डिस्क्राइब दिस फीलिंग। गाइस बारिश अभी भी तेज है, लेकिन हम भी कुछ कम नहीं है, हम इस बारिश में चलते रहेंगे। ये निकले दो, मैं इनके पीछे पीछे जा रहा हूँ। Oh, so good. So guys, I have a view for you. That is the nights to have a look. Alright people, तो कुछ ऐसा हाल है मेरा अभी कि मेरा वॉलेट गिर गया है कहीं पे। तो चूंकि मेरा वॉलेट कहीं गिर गया तो मैं पुलिस स्टेशन आया हूँ उसका कंप्लेंट लिखा के। उसमें मेरे काफ़ी सारे गवर्नमेंट आईडीज़ थे, तो सिंस वो आईडीज़ मेरे को वापस चाहिए होंगी, अगर चाहिए होंगी तो पुलिस कंप्लेंट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो चिल करने आए थे, थ्रिल हो गया। अब हम जा रहे हैं एक और पुलिस स्टेशन, वहाँ पे कंप्लेंट लिखेंगे करके बोला है। सो लेट्स सी। ओके गाइस, सो जस्ट एन अपडेट, मैंने यहाँ एक्चुअल पुलिस स्टेशन में अपनी कंप्लेंट लिखवा दी है।
CSR, something, I don't know what is the technical term, but whatever it is for making sure that your ID cards are not misused, basically, and they can secure it once found. And also, when you reapply for any government IDs, you will be needing such documents so that you can tell them that yeah, it was stolen and I need it replaced. So yeah, that's why I have made this. Tomorrow they have called me again so that I can get my CSR. I'll update you on this. Okay guys, so after a crazy ride day and a rainy day ride, we are... Hello everybody. The bad thing that happened was I lost my wallet today. I have filed the complaint. I'll be going back to police station tomorrow and let's see what happens. Hopefully some good person finds it and gives it back. See you.